Typhoon Rammasun, which took place in the South China Sea between the Philippines and Hainan Island in July, was one of Asia's biggest typhoons in the last 40 years. With sustained winds of 145 miles per hour and gusts of 175 miles per hour, Rammasun produced the strongest winds on the surface of the planet at the time. The Category 5, or Super Typhoon, produced waves over 45 feet tall. In response to the storm, over 50 flights were canceled, and over 6,000 people were stranded at seaports throughout the region.
Hi, I'm Matthew DiPietro with Liquid Robotics Incorporated, and this is our Mission Command Room.
Matt, I'm John Pellegrin. I'm the director of our mission support operations, and I'm the one that gets to have all the fun with all of our wave gliders out there.
So this wave glider was in the path of a very large storm, and at that point we engaged LRI's mission operations team for some guidance, suggestions, and assistance in what to do with the wave glider.
Sure, heard from Matt later in the day, and being unaware of the tropical event that was upon this vehicle, I engaged pretty quickly within a matter of maybe half an hour or so, provided a few options to Matt. One would be to perhaps rescue the vehicle and get it out of the storm's path. Very dicey proposition, as we didn't have much time and that would endanger human life to go out on a vessel. So the option really was, do we try to evade the storm, which we had insufficient time to do. This storm is monstrous. It's, a good 400 nautical miles in diameter. Or do we just go after the throat of this thing and collect the best data that we can find?
Hi, my name is Graham Hine. I'm employee number 2 at Liquid Robotics. I started back before Liquid Robotics was a company. We've been through hurricanes before. We survived Hurricane Sandy in one of our earlier experiments with this model of wave glider. And what we've learned from those is that there's a tremendous amount of data to be captured at the sea surface interaction layer. And the wave glider that was going through the typhoon most recently fortunately had an excellent set of mid-ocean sensors to measure that interaction between the air and the sea, which is almost impossible to measure without actually being there. Remote sensing can't see through the clouds very well. We were fortunate to have one wave glider in the path of this storm, but the real future is to have thousands of them out there really measuring the surface of the ocean worldwide so that we can understand what's coming our way and plan both the safety of humans and our resources.